Hi, Jems. I'm on my way to Whole Foods to get some cashews and some almonds because I want to make nut milk. And I also want to start incorporating like Wellness Wednesday on my channel because it is a big part of my lifestyle and I want to start sharing it with you. In my community, I'm kind of known as like being healthy and staying fit. So I do want to share that part of my lifestyle with you, whether it be a juice, a healthy meal, or working out. That will be a part of my channel. So let's go to Whole Foods. Okay, so I'm back from the store. I have my almonds and I have my cashews to make the nut milk. And in order to produce nut milk, you need to soak the nuts for at least a day or two. So the process does take at least 24 to 48 hours. So let me soak the nuts. You always want to yield equal parts. Measure it out. A cup of almonds, and I'm gonna put it in this mason jar. So there's a cup of almonds, and I have a cup of water. I'm gonna measure a cup of cashew. And cashews makes almond milk or nut milk. It gives it like a more creamy texture. So we're gonna add the cashews into here. Another cup of water. And I'm gonna do one more cup of almonds. I'm gonna add it to this. And one more cup of water. Hopefully it won't go over. Ooh, that might be too much. Because this is too small, I'm gonna transfer the nuts and the water into this bowl so I can add the rest of the water. So I'll be back in a day or two to make the nut milk. Okay, so I soaked these nuts for only 24 hours. I'm gonna rinse them off first. So hopefully you can see. nuts. Rinsed off. The key to a creamy, thick nut milk is to do equal parts nuts to water. So I'm gonna do 1/4 cup of nuts and 1/4 cup of water, filtered water. And it's important to use filtered water because it extends the shelf life of the nut milk. With the filtered water and maybe a pinch of sea salt, it'll last 3 to 5 days. All right, so let's check out the milk. Let's check it out. My strainer, and the nuts are dry, which is good. That means that this bad boy is working. You wanna have dry pulp. It's very dry. The more water you use, the less thick it will be. It will be more loose and watery. So that's why it's key to use equal parts nuts to water. And depending on the consistency, if you don't like it thick, then obviously you would use more water. But with the cashews, it also gives it a more creamier, smoother texture with the cashews. You can also make cheese, vegan cheese out of cashews. So maybe on one of the Wellness Wednesdays, I'll make some cashew cheese. So we have the milk. I'm gonna pour it in this mason jar. Do a funnel. So this is plain almond milk. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it vanilla almond milk. So I'll add maple syrup, vanilla, and a little bit of sea salt, a pinch of sea salt, and we're gonna make vanilla almond milk. Well, vanilla nut milk because it has the cashews in it. Maple syrup, vanilla bean, and some Himalayan salt, pink Himalayan salt. So this is 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons syrup. So about 1/4 vanilla bean. You can also use vanilla extract, but I wanted to use the vanilla bean. And you can also use honey, coconut sugar as your sweetener. I like maple syrup because it's kind of light and it's not as sweet. I think that's enough vanilla bean. Just mixing the vanilla bean and the maple syrup. Almond milk. And with this pulp, you can make crackers, cookies with this pulp, which I'm gonna try to do. Okay, so now with the leftover nut pulp, I'm gonna attempt to make almond cookies or nut cookies, almond cashew cookies. Found a recipe off Pinterest. I've never made these cookies before, but I just so happen to have all the ingredients. So it's gonna be 1 cup of the pulp. 1 1 cup of almond pulp, 1 cup of coconut, shredded coconut. Seemed like a lot of coconut, but shredded coconut. 1/3 cup of maple syrup. It's going in, people. Ooh. 1 chia egg. But I have this flax meal, which is a vegan egg replacer. So I'm going to use this as the egg for the cookies. The vegan egg replacer, it says combine 1 tablespoon of flax meal. So this is my 1 tablespoon. And this is the flax meal. You can see this is what. And 3 tablespoons of water. 1, 2, 3. Let sit for 5 minutes before adding to your recipes. 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. I'm gonna add the flaxseed meal to the other ingredients. So hopefully this works. Hopefully. Oven is set at 350 and they'll bake for 20 minutes or until golden brown. Okay, so the cookies are done. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. I'm gonna taste these. It's the bottom. Golden brown. Good. If you like coconut, really good. And the semi-sweet chocolate chip, good. So this was actually no waste nut milk. None of the pulp went into the garbage. So, good. Okay. Well, I need to let them cool off because it's falling apart because they're still hot, very warm. Okay. So I'm gonna let these cool. I am so souped up. I can't believe it. These are actually good. Okay. Cashew almond coconut cookies made from cashew and almond pulp. Looks delish. Now I have another recipe, but I don't know if I have enough pulp, and that's to make crackers. So we'll see. Not bad. Almond cashew cracker. These will go really good with some soup, salad, and very flaky. This is the result of the almond and cashew milk. We got cookies, we got crackers, and we have the milk. The cookies are really, really good. They're soft. When you bite into it, nice little crisp at the bottom. And these crackers are very savory, light, and flaky. This milk is nuts. Like I said in the car, I want to start incorporating Wellness Wednesday. I haven't worked out the kinks. I haven't done anything as far as structuring how I'm going to do it, but I just want to start. Anything related to health and wellness, whether it's a juice, a recipe, a workout, it is a big part of my lifestyle. So I'm looking forward to sharing that with you. So can y'all believe the crackers and the cookies and the nut milk are all from almond and cashew. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and be on the lookout for my next video.